Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel, and thank you also very much for joining me for another real life motivational cleaning video. So today I am cleaning and decluttering my very filthy kitchen, as you all can see, but I want to thank you also very much for watching today. If you find yourself enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Also leave a comment down below because it really helps my channel grow and be recommended here on YouTube. And if you think someone else may enjoy this video, be sure to share it with them because it's free, and who doesn't like free? Well, that is enough chit chat, you guys. Let's go ahead and get started on this hot mess.
Look at this page. Yeah.
The first thing I'm doing is just clearing off the table and then around the table. We had just went grocery shopping, so I figured I'd put all of the food away before it spoils.
If I had an option to be someone else, I would. And let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain.
It's crazy what I see when I'm editing my videos, because in person I cannot see all those things on the chairs. So I will be getting my carpet cleaner and going to town on these chairs.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around.
If you're new to my channel, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Evita. I am a wife and also a mother. Currently, I live in South Carolina. Go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments below and let me know where you're watching from. But I love posting motivational cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos, and I'm going to start posting recipe videos. So if you enjoy these types of videos, please consider subscribing, because I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family.
Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie.
So when I clean my kitchen with bleach, I always put on an apron so I don't mess up my clothes.
For you, one of us gotta say
So I did have white shelves right here where I had like little decorations, but they kept falling down, so I just ended up taking them down, and I'm going to replace all of those with one cloth.
Try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me on tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around. It's the right time, you feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. I think I'll do it on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through. Get you out of
So when I'm cleaning, I'm always listening to music, so I will be dancing throughout this video. Sometimes I cut it out, sometimes I just leave it in the video.
'Cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me on tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around. It's the right time, you feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. We'll turn this around. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. We'll turn this around. I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I
Well, that is all for this cleaning video. If you made it this far into the video, then go ahead and leave me a unicorn emoji in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel because I will be posting more videos like this, you guys. But as always, thank you all so very much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.
Look to the right, nothing stopped me in the night like I